This brand is available through their website or Amazon store and offers a wide selection of units including basic fans, fan light combos, and fan heater combos. The ZB110ML1 model features motion sensing control with adjustable timer and a dimmable LED light, while the ZB110H uses humidity sensing for control. They feature ultra-quick installation with built-in installation brackets, and they have multi-speed brushless DC motors which are quiet and efficient. The XB80L1 is a basic fan light combo, while the SPK80NL model has a built-in Bluetooth speaker and is reasonably priced. The AR110LKVV model has their Surface Shield virus killing light and is designed for easy installation in retrofit situations. All of the units are backed by a very good warranty. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.